guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this dish, it depends on how big your family is. As for me, it's just a family of 2 people and I'm using 3 thighs. We'll start by prepping and marinating our chicken, and as for me, I'm using Siv Gun Grill, Aromat, chili pepper and smoked paprika. I wrote the full ingredients in the description box, so be sure to open that and have a look. You can screenshot if you want. Be sure to also add 1 tablespoon of oil while marinating your chicken and set that aside for at least 10 minutes while you prepare the other vegetables. And also this time you can go around and turn on and preheat your oven. We are going to use 4 large potatoes, some green beans, a carrot, some red bell pepper. You can also add the other colors if you have. I only had the red one, and some tomatoes if you like. If you don't, it's optional. You really don't have to add everything here. You just use the vegetables that you have in your fridge. Don't stress. If you have watched this far, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I also do vlogs, mommy vlogs. You can check them out on my channel. You know, there are those days as a mom. Right now I'm editing and my daughter is next to me. As a mom, you don't feel like cooking. So this is a very easy meal. You just peel things, put it in one pan or one pot, throw it in the oven and go about your business. Go ahead and wash your vegetables nicely and be sure to add a little bit of salt in your vegetables before you throw them in the oven. We are going to start putting our vegetables down first because vegetables, they don't take time to cook, and then you go in layers. After vegetables, you put in your potatoes. After you put in your potatoes, that's when you go on top and put your chicken. By the time you're done salting everything in the casserole, your oven is already hot. Make sure you turn your oven all the way to max, to the last maximum, and you only cook on the upper heat. Don't turn the down heat, only the upper heat, and just toss in your food and let your oven do the job. Make sure you keep checking your dish, and after 20 or 30 minutes, remove your food, turn on the chicken on the other side so it can also cook on the other side, since we are cooking only using the upper heat, and put it back in the oven and just go ahead and relax and wait for your food to be cooked. I don't know about you, but I love cooking in the oven because it also gives me time to do other things. I can bingo watch something, I can play with my child, I can clean the house while the food is just there in the oven doing some magic. And voila, our food is ready. Please don't judge my dishing skills. I'm still learning on how to plate a good to be aesthetically pleasing. I don't work in a restaurant. I've never worked in a restaurant. So I just put everything there and eat, guys. Don't judge. Don't judge. This dish was so delicious and so flavorful, and it's also healthy. So I hope you get to try it. If you do, let me know in the comments section, and let me know what other recipe you'd like for me to try for you guys. And see you in the next video. Be sure to check my other videos in the channel. Bye.